Welcome to the all-new Ray Catena Audi Toms River, now open on Route 37 East.
Presenting the 2015 Audi Q3. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a panoramic sunroof, a spoiler, an alarm system, roof rails, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, digital radio, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, push-button start, automatic climate control, curtain head airbags, front airbags. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
The all-new Ray Catena Audi Toms River is here. Be prepared for a lifelong relationship.